Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to contact TikTok about a banned account. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. If I'm logging into TikTok and I'm getting a message like this saying my account was banned because of multiple community guidelines violations, this is because, like it says, you violated a community standard multiple times and now they've banned your account. But, this could be for a variety of different reasons, and it could be, a mistake. These are bots that are, looking at the accounts, and so if they think that something is inappropriate, it will flag your account and then ban you. Usually it's only between 24 to 48 hours, but say that, this is a mistake, what you posted wasn't violating the community standards, there is a way to contact TikTok and get in contact with them and start a dialogue to try to reopen your account. So the first thing you can do is when you're logging into your account, it will pop up with this, a box that says your account has been blocked, and then underneath it will say appeal, and you can just click on that and it will bring you right to an appeal page. I can't show you that because I don't have a blocked account, so I can't bring up the appeal page, but that is one way around it. The second way is once you log into your account, go to the three lines or three dots at the top right, and then scroll down until you see report a problem, and then at the top right hand corner there's a little pad of paper with a pen, and you can just click on this and it will open up a support card for you where you can tell them your feedback. And basically here is where you can, talk about how you can't sign into your account and go ahead and report the problem to them. And all you have to do is hit report. And it will open up a new page, and that will send it off to TikTok to start a dialogue with them. And so yeah, here it is. It's sending out this dialogue, blah, blah, blah. And then underneath, you can go ahead and write everything you need to, explaining your case, appealing your case about why what you posted wasn't violating the community standards, and be as polite as possible, but provide as much detail as possible. And once you do, all you have to do is put report, and then it'll put that back onto your ticket, and you'll be able to have a dialogue with TikTok and try to open up your account. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.